Okay, the next question is number 3. That question is, how is the nature of studying, how is the nature of learning studying SLA? The nature of SLA and learning, the term equations was originally used to em- 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 emphasize subconscious nature of the learning, and a question has become largely synonyms. There has been much debate about exactly how language is learned, and many issues are still unsolved. There are many theories of SLA, but names are fully accepted by all SLA research. Learning and language equations, it has 6 observations that I was searched in Google. First is very little equations take place most of the time. Learning occurs that do not is in real sense. Because of the lack of atmosphere, very little equations expect in English medium schools or convert school and metro cities because lack of motivations and lack of practice. Second is background and first language is helpful in learning language. And in learning language, in the second language. Number 3 is sometimes habits are incomplete. Incomplete knowledge of language, first language. It creates classes while learning language, second language, because very often students do not have enough knowledge of language, first language. And the fourth is when second language is learned in Indian context, grammar is much more emphasized. And number 5 is learning of language as of second language has become mechanical, africal, and boring. And the last one is natural order of 4 basic skills of language. Learning is not maintained. Perhaps that is why learning of second language becomes strangers. And more answer is bilinguals as ism refers to the attitude or stance usually based on positive intercultural experience that having 2 languages is better than one for the average person. Bilingualism includes multilingualism, so their language are considered better than 2. Second is descriptural competence is the ability to read more than one script in the same language. For example, Chinese could be written in both the new simplified script and the traditional complex script. And the last one is how to teach SLA in class. The first is language test from SLA perspective. As an English teacher, the teacher assigns a test to speak a few sentences in English. The second is with the help of technology, teachers plan to watch, for example, BBC News or something like that. And the 3 is read the newspaper. The last one is to develop 4 language skills. There is a listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And now I think that is all. I know the answer number 3. Thank you.